Melissa is a Category 5 hurricane. Tropical storm conditions are occurring in Jamaica, and destructive hurricane conditions are expected to begin tonight or early Tuesday. Destructive winds and storm surge and catastrophic flooding will worsen on Jamaica through the day and into tonight. The government of the Bahamas has issued a hurricane watch for the central and southeastern Bahamas and the Turks and Caicos Island. A tropical storm warning is in effect for Haiti and southern parts of Cuba. Interests in Bermuda should monitor the progress of Melissa. Maximum sustained winds near 260 kilometers per hour or 160 miles per hour with higher gusts. Wind speeds atop and on the windward sides of hills and mountains could be up to 30% stronger than the surface winds indicated. Some elevated locations could be even greater. Position as of 8 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Monday is approximately 220 kilometers or 135 miles southwest of Kingston, moving slowly west at 6 kilometers per hour or 3 miles per hour. Tropical storm force winds have extended outward up to 335 kilometers or 195 miles from the center. Hurricane force winds extend outward up to 45 kilometers or 30 miles from the center. Melissa is expected to bring rainfall of 15 to 30 inches to portions of Jamaica. Locally, 40 inches of rain is possible. Catastrophic flash flooding and numerous landslides are likely.